Welcome to my channel Mansoor Tech. Today my topic is homologous chromosomes. Homologous chromosomes to separate from one another during meiosis. This phenomenon is called homologous chromosomes produced with abnormal number of chromosomes either with less or extra chromosomes. If such abnormal gametes fuse with normal gametes, the resulting zygote will also have abnormal number of chromosomes. Term chromosome is given by Fleming in 1882. These are treat-like structures appear at the time of cell divisions made up of chromatids materials in specific number in eukaryotic cells. Chromosomes are made up of DNA and histone proteins. There are four types of chromosomes: metacentric, submetacentric, aerocentric, and telocentric. Sequence of change occurs between two successive cell divisions called cell cycle. Cell cycle is mainly consists of two phases: cell divisions and interphase. Interphase is further divided into three subphases: G1, S, and G2 phases. Mitosis is a type of cell division where our parent cell divides into two daughter cells with the same number of chromosomes as the parent cells. Contain meiosis, the type of cell division in which a single cell divides into four daughter cells and number of chromosomes become half of the parent cells. In animal, meiosis takes place in the germ cells, while in the plant it takes spore mother cells to produce gametes and spores respectively. Meiotic errors where a parent pair of homologous chromosomes fails to separate from one another called non-destructions. These non-destructions produce gametes with abnormal number of chromosomes with less or extra chromosomes attached with separate fibers of spindles longer and destructions and form group at the each around each group nuclear envelope is formed after the karyokinesis in each haploid meiotic cells. The cytokinesis divisions of cytoplasm occurs and thus for haploid cells are formed in the absence of meiosis. Number of chromosomes would have been doubled, giving rise to abnormal growth. Chromosomes are pulled away from one another. The movements continue until one complete set of chromosomes. Meiotic cells, the cytokinesis in the absent meiosis maintain chromosomes number are constant from generations of chromosomes to half haploids in the gametes. By crossing over, the meiosis provides an opportunity for the exchange of the genes between homologous chromosomes and thus cause the genetic variations among the species. The variations are the materials of the evolutionary process. Meiotic errors with a pair of homologous chromosomes fails to separate from one another called destructions. These non-destructions produce gametes with abnormal number of chromosomes with less or extra chromosomes. This type of movement of cismat is known as a terminalization. At the end of dikinesis, chromatids still remain compact at their end. Following changes occurred in the space in the bivalent line up at the equatorial plane. The centromeres of each chromosomes attach with the same fiber of spindles, and this stage one chromosomes from Each member of homologous pair by bivalent begin to separate and movement towards. Thanks for watching.